Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing my Boxycharm. What did I get? Let's do a cover photo. Okay, I hope I got one. Alright, so you guys get a look first. What do we have? Alright, so first off, I have the little paper. It says it's totally, and I will try not to forget the prices. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is Tarte's Big Ego mascara. Currently I'm using Too Faced's mascara. So, ooh, look how pink that is. Let's look at this wand. Ooh, I kind of like it. It's a lot different than what I'm used to. So hopefully I like the wand. If I don't like the wand, I'll just put a different wand in. Because, yeah. So there's that. And I got it in the shade black, if you were wondering. And this retails for $23. The next thing I'm seeing in here is Steve Laurent Vogue. I think this is a lip liner. Yep, it's a lip liner, and it retails for $15. Steve Laurent lip liner. It's a little rough, but it's like a mauvey pink color. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. And like I said, this retails for $15. You guys, I feel like I'm gonna just sneeze. Now I have the Becca Hydrating Mist Set and Refreshing Powder in the shade, I don't know. But this retails for $39. I guess this doesn't have a shade, it's just, let's open this up. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm trying not to sneeze like it's bad. And I just want to film this because I feel like it, oh my gosh, you guys. I got it. No, I let go. Did you guys see that? Oh God. I'm making a mess. It like puffed all over me. I have powder on. If I didn't, ooh, you guys. That's like a net right there. Do you see this? It's really, oh, I got a lot of product on my finger. It's really soft. Ooh. This feels really, it's like a powder, but it feels wet. It's really cool feeling. So that's exciting. I will be using this tomorrow. We'll go ahead and just put the lid back on and pop it right back into my makeup cubby. The next product I'm going to be showing you is the Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I don't like face oils. I feel like I have very oily skin. Same tip as the one stuff. Ooh, it's pink. It is a pink oil. I don't know, right there. It feels nice. It feels soft. It goes into the skin very well. I don't know, what do you use this for? Bring out skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. So it's like a lightener, I'm assuming. So that's kind of cool. I'll have to add that to my skincare. And then the last two products I have is Ace's Beauty Glimmer Shadows. So we will give these two a little swatch. They look like little clouds. So there's that one. And this is French Vanilla. Is the silver. And it's right there, my hand. And that over there. And then the other color I got is Huckleberry. There's Huckleberry. I'm excited for these. Excited to use them. They feel like very nice formulas. I don't know. Yes, I show 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the other product? Oh, the lip liner. 5. Okay, so those were my 5 products I got. So, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and see you guys next time. Bye!